Hi Jackson, I wanted you to get a look at your puppy. She is really cute. She loves people, as you can see. She will go to anyone. And we've really been teaching her to not jump up, and but when she goes to training, Kim will definitely reinforce that. Come here. She is just the cutest thing. But you can sort of get a sense of her size by seeing her with people. She is definitely growing because she is about 4 months old. So just want you to not be expecting a teeny tiny puppy, and if you are, we should change out because she's not. But she is really, really sweet and really, really cute. This is Girl Orange.